Hi there, my name is Emily and I'm a shopkeeper here at the Sill in West Hollywood. And today we're going to be making Kokedama. So Kokedama literally means moss ball, and it is the Japanese art of displaying your plant. Now, the great thing is that with your Kokedama, you don't actually need a pot. So you can use pretty much any kind of plant that you want to make your Kokedama. Here we've got some examples. So I have the neon pothos right here. I have a cryptanthus, and then I have the beautiful staghorn fern. But today, we are gonna be using this cute little monstera to make our Kokedama. So obviously you're gonna need your plant. You're gonna need some potting mix. So the mix that I have here is bonsai soil, bonsai mix, and peat moss. And then I've got some sphagnum moss. I have some twine, which is gonna help to secure the whole thing. And then it's always helpful to have a pair of scissors and some extra water. So to start, I'm gonna take my monstera here. I'm gonna take your plant, and you're gonna get off some of the soil that was already on the roots. And then I'm gonna place it in this pancake that I have here of my soil mixture. So I'm just kind of packing my soil on around the roots. Now the great thing about bonsai mix is that it's got clay in it, which helps to kind of maintain the shape of the soil around the roots. And then the peat moss helps to retain moisture. So I'm gonna get on as much as I can. The roots of this monstera are kind of on the larger side, so I'm gonna need a little bit more soil. And then once it's nice and secured on there, I'm gonna shape it a little bit better. I'm gonna plop it down on my pancake of sphagnum moss. So the sphagnum is gonna help hold the potting mixture in place. And I put a lot of water in the sphagnum so that I can shape it how I want it. And then I'm going to take my twine and kind of wrap as I go. So I'm going to start at the top and just wrap the sides. And I'm just going to tie off the twine so that the side of my Kokedama is nice and secure. And then I'm going to pick it up and shape the bottom a little more. If you find that your sphagnum is not sticking super well, you can add some more water to it. I'm going to add a little bit more. And just kind of press it out so that it's not super wet. All right, and then I'm going to tie my twine around. And there we have it, our lovely little moss ball. So, how do we take care of something like this? That's a good question. What you're gonna wanna do is make sure that it's in a bright, indirect spot. Monstera want sun, but they're not gonna want direct sunlight. So we're gonna put it in a sunny spot, and then once the soil or the potting mixture has dried out completely, you can take it and just submerge the root ball or the moss ball in a bowl of water and let it soak for maybe 15-20 minutes. And then once it's nice and soaked, you can take it out and you just want to let it dry out completely. And you can also mist the root ball on a regular basis if you'd like. That's going to be great for something like the staghorn. The fronds are going to want some nice humidity. And there you have it. That's how we make a kokedama. So try it at home. Let us know how it goes. The great thing about kokedama is that when we make them, we practice the art of wabi-sabi, which is all about finding perfection in our imperfections. So you're not going to get a perfect shape. As you can see here, all these guys have different shapes, and they all look very cool. So go ahead and make it at home. Let us know how it goes, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments down below. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the shop soon. All right, thanks so much. Bye.